Hey guys, today I'm diving into something that's not just cool, but also incredibly transformative, digital twins. If you haven't heard about this yet, buckle up because it's going to blow your mind. So, what exactly is a digital twin? Think of it as a virtual replica of a physical object or system. Using real-time data and advanced algorithms, these digital counterparts mirror their real-world versions. This isn't just a fancy simulation, it's a living, breathing model that evolves with its physical twin. Now, why should you care about this tech? Well, digital twins are revolutionizing the manufacturing industry. Imagine a factory where every machine has a digital twin. Engineers can monitor, diagnose, and even predict failures before they happen, reducing downtime and saving a ton of money. It's like having a crystal ball for industrial equipment. The efficiency gains are enormous. With real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance, factories can operate more smoothly and efficiently. This leads to significant cost savings and higher productivity. It's precision manufacturing on a whole new level, but it doesn't stop there. In smart cities, digital twins can manage everything from traffic flow to energy distribution. Cities can become more efficient, sustainable, and truly smart. It's like having a virtual city planner working 24/7 to optimize urban living. And let's talk about space exploration. NASA uses digital twins to simulate conditions on Mars, helping to prepare for manned missions. It's not sci-fi, it's happening right now. So, how does it all work? The backbone of digital twin technology is data. Sensors on physical objects collect data, which is then analyzed and fed into the digital model. Machine learning algorithms crunch this data to provide insights, make predictions, and even suggest improvements. The result? A dynamic, interactive model that offers unparalleled insight and control. The future of digital twins is incredibly promising. As IoT devices become more ubiquitous and data analytics more sophisticated, we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. Imagine a world where every object, system, and even organism has a digital twin. The possibilities are endless. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If you found this video enlightening, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into tech innovations. Until next time, stay curious.